Peace. It's your brother Cool. Welcome to Sunel University. So, today I'm going to express ideas I have in my brain dealing with numbers, particularly number 9. The supremacy of the number 9 is very, very remarkable. Pardon me. Taking off my slippers. Very, very remarkable. I find them. So there's a couple of cool things that I think you guys should be able to see with number 9. For starters, 9 is the only multiple that equals itself. 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, and 9 times 5 equals 9. Equals 18, equals 27, equals 36, equals 45, 54, 63, 72, blah, 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 blah. Okay. The main thing to remember, just so I know, I'm going to figure this out. Okay. All right. So 9 is the only number in the multiplication system that has where every answer equals out to itself. Watch. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Even 45. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 54. 9. 63. 9. 72. 9. What is 72? 81. 9. Alright, so every multiple equals out to 9, which is why when pregnancy comes, 9 months, okay, of carrying the child. 9 represents perfection. It's a perfect number. Anything going against 9 is perfect. So watch. 9 times table, right? Okay. We're going to do a little graph here, just as a little example. Okay. Alright. We're going to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. We're going to make brackets for each one. Alright. Boom. 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 Alright. Okay. Oh, we're gonna go across. Alright. Now, when it comes to supreme math, there is no number greater than 9, meaning the only numbers in actual existence is from 0 to 9. 0 representing God, okay, or Amen-Ra, which is the sun, okay? Not the physical sun, but the metaphysical sun, the unseen sun, the sun you cannot see with your visual eyes, your second and your third eyes, okay? This can only be seen with the pineal gland. So this one represents the unseen, therefore it has, you don't know what's existing within this realm or this dimension, all right? From the unseen, we get the seen. First, second, third dimension, fourth dimension, fifth dimension, sixth dimension, all the way to the ninth dimension, okay? So, because there's no unknown, what we'll do is we'll track from 1 to 9, okay? And then we'll bring it right here to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And this is just coming right out of me. I don't know how I came to this perception, but I'm just working out the kinks right now. But I know there's something spectacular about 9, and if used properly, alright, it'll help us think on a more faster pace in terms of comprehension and levels of mathematics. Alright? That's why I'm messing up at. Excuse me. Forgetting how to count real quick. 43, 44. Okay. So here's what we got so far. Alright, 45. Now, understanding that only 1 and 9 exist, meaning that 10 is a combination of 1 and 0. So it's nothing new. It's the child taken from the mother and the father. You understand what that means? So 10, 11, a duplicate of 1 and 1. 12, 1 and 2. 13, 1 and 3. So meaning the only actual numbers that truly exist are numbers that stand alone. So this is why we say from 0 to 9. From the unseen to the seen. From conception of a child to childbirth. This is what's in existence. Since these are the parents here, right? Top shelfers. Every number in line within each bracket equal out to each individual number. For instance, 8, 17, 7 plus 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 and 4 is 8. And that'll be the same for everyone. 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 2 plus 1, 3. That's just how it is. So, if you need to rewind this back, pause it, analyze it, and just think on this. I know it might be a little bit crazy to wrap your mind around, but just walk with me on this, alright? Alright. I'm going to erase some of this portion out now. Now we can get to some problems. Alright? Now, the next question is, what the hell does knowing that, how does knowing that help us with math? Like I said, it's not perfected yet, but this is the potential of it. Since we know that 9 is a perfect number, what if I was to do What if I was to do 4 plus 9? Automatically, I'm going to tell you right now, the answer is going to equal out to 4. Because 9 is perfect. So I don't have to worry about 9. I can just cross out 9. Now, we have to learn to understand now that 9 shifts. So when you shift up, the last number goes down. When you shift down, the last number goes up. It's crisscross. I know it's kind of hard to wrap your mind around. So let me bring it into, let me bring your right side. So if I have 12 plus 9, either two things are going to happen. Either I'm going to shift up or I'm going to shift down. Alright? And I'm going to come back to this problem, but I want you to get your mind wrapped around the shift up and the shift down. This is all wrong. Let's do this here. We're going to do 25, because 7 is my number. 25, right? Now, this shift right here, I'll say is plus, and you have your minus, okay? Of 9. If it's 25 plus 9, you know the shift. When it shifts up, the value of the number goes down, so it's going to be 4. Right? 34. plus. So you already know. Why? Because going up, the last numerical number shifts down. You see how I went from 5 to 4? Now if I go down, right, subtraction, 25, I already know the numerical value goes up. So down is up and up is down. Doesn't that sound like as above, so below? Crazy, right? Goes down. So I know if I'm going down below 25, I know I'm gonna have to bring it down to 1. 16. You see how that works? And I can plug in any number and it'll work the same way. So when you're shifting up from 9, whether it's addition, right? If you're going up, you know the numerical value goes down. And when you're going down, you know the numerical value goes up from whatever you're shifting from. Now, with that being said, 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is going to equal out to 13. Remember how I said the answer is going to equal out to 4? Because 9 cancels itself out. By me knowing that 9 cancels itself out, I don't have to worry about 9. I already know my answer is going to equal out to 4. But, see, 4 is the root or the mother of the answer I'm looking for. So what this allows me to do is come to the source and then branch out. Rather than I'm branched out and then we're trying to look for the source, like in a word problem. It's best if we know the source firsthand and then branch out. It makes more common sense. That's just how it looks to me. All right, like the seed, you sprout out, not, you know, the trees looking to go back into the seed. That shit don't make sense. So my answer will be 4. 13. 3 plus 1 equals 4. I rest my case. I rest my case. Now, let's do a subtraction. 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9. My answer is going to be 7. The root of my answer is going to be 7. But me understanding the principle of 9, I know that's 7, right? And because now you also understand that the root of every number, when you know the root, you know that whatever that answer is going to equal out to 7. So I don't even have to think. But I know the next number that will equal out to 7 is 16. 1 plus 6. You understand? And the next number that will equal out to 7 is 25. 2 plus 5. And the next number that will equal out to 7 is 34. 3 plus 4. And the next number after that is 43. And then the number after that is 52. You see, so once you have your mind wrapped around that basic concept, yo, you'll figure problems out quick. And this is just baby scale. This is baby scale, all right? I haven't even, like I said, it's still developing within me, all right? So just those type of things. Now, I'm just gonna leave it at that for now, all right? I don't wanna overwhelm too much. So this is it right now. Just backtrack on these, all right? And this is called numerology, okay? It's called numerology, okay? Supreme mathematics. And I fucks with the number 9. So I'm studying her, all right? This your bro. Peace. Sunel Republic, we in full effect. Sunel University, yes sir.